have an appointment at 10 a.m. I'd like to see a doctor. Do you have an appointment? I don't have an appointment. Please fill out this form. What's your name and date of birth? Do you have insurance? Please wait in the waiting area. The doctor will see you soon. Come in and have a seat. What brings you in today? I've had a headache for 2 days. I have a sore throat. I'm coughing a lot. I feel very tired. I have a fever. I think I caught a cold. My stomach hurts. I feel dizzy. My back hurts when I sit. I have pain in my chest. Are you allergic to any medicine? Do you have any medical history? Let me check your temperature. Let's take your blood pressure. Please take a deep breath. Say ah, please. I'll give you a prescription. You should rest for a few days. Drink lots of water. Take this medicine twice a day. Take this after meals. You don't need antibiotics. You need to see a specialist. I'll refer you to another doctor. You need a blood test. Please go to the lab for testing. Come back next week for the results. Everything looks normal. It's nothing serious. Don't worry, you'll be fine. You should get more sleep. Try to reduce stress. Get some exercise every day. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Avoid spicy food for now. Call us if it gets worse. Do you need a doctor's note for work? Thank you, doctor. I'll follow your advice.